Kolbe's sliding doors are a space-saving way to connect your indoor and outdoor living spaces. Sliding doors are available in various styles and configurations to accommodate new construction or remodeling projects. Available in our Heritage Series, Ultra Series, and complementary Deluxe WD line, sliding doors offer a sliding panel on either side of a 2-wide unit, center or side of a 3-wide unit, or 4-wide configuration with a double-wide center opening. Our Heritage Series sliding doors are carefully crafted with a wood interior and exterior, making it possible to create architecturally intricate and historically accurate details. Ultra Series sliding doors can mimic the traditional style of wood doors with a warm wood interior and an extruded aluminum exterior that is strong and durable. Deluxe Collection sliding doors offer narrow profiles with square sticking on both interior and exterior that complement contemporary projects. They are crafted with an extruded aluminum exterior for low maintenance durability, while a wood interior proves that minimalist design can feel warm and organic. Sliding patio doors provide passage to terraces, balconies, lanais, and patios. They glide smoothly on tandem rollers with adjustable ball-bearing wheels. Sliding doors have one-piece pultruded fiberglass sills with continuous aluminum sill nosing, fiberglass sill fillers, and thick oak interior thresholds. Aluminum sill ramps are available to make passage easier for people with limited mobility. Even functional items like sliding insect screens are available with aesthetic options. Several hardware types are available in stunning finish colors with various locking mechanisms. Plus, secondary security locks may be requested for additional peace of mind. Corrosion-resistant hardware is available for coastal projects. Automation options are also available for Kolbe sliding doors. The frames and panels come factory prepped to receive the system and motor. The motor is hidden within the door frame and concealed by an interior wood cover. This functionality can be operated by touchscreen, wired wall switch, or smartphone. Optional motion sensor kits provide additional safety features. Sliding doors are available with maximum panel sizes of 60 inches by 120 inches and can accommodate dual or triple pane glass. Impact-rated units are available with IPD4 certification in sizes up to 190 inches by 98 inches. Choose from a variety of exterior colors, wood species, interior finishes, glass options, and divided lights to complement the look and feel of your project. Easily move between the indoors and outdoors with sliding doors from Kolbe. To learn more about this and other Kolbe products, please visit our website at kolbewindows.com.